Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever felt the pinch of a tight budget and wondered how to turn things around, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into some powerful strategies on how to save a whopping $3,000 in just 3 months, even when you're on a tight budget. So, whether you're a college student, just starting your career, or simply looking to boost your savings, stick around because we've got some game-changing tips coming your way. Before we dive into the strategies, let's talk about why saving money is so crucial. Having a healthy savings cushion provides you with financial security and peace of mind. It's your ticket to realizing your dreams, whether that's traveling, buying your first home, or pursuing further education. So, let's get started on this exciting journey to save $3,000. Strategy 1: Creating a budget that works. The first step in this money-saving adventure is creating a budget that works for you. It's like having a roadmap for your finances. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back, like eating out less or canceling unused subscriptions. Remember, every dollar counts. Strategy 2: The 50-30-20th rule. Ever heard of the 50-30-20th rule? It's a fantastic budgeting method that allocates 50% of your income to necessities like rent and groceries, 30% to things you want but don't necessarily need, and 20% goes straight into savings. By following this rule, you'll be amazed at how quickly your savings grow. Strategy 3: Embracing the No-Spend Challenge. Now, here's a fun challenge. The No-Spend Challenge. Pick a week or even a month to cut out all unnecessary spending. Pack your lunch, make your coffee at home, and rediscover the joy of free activities. The money you save during this challenge can go directly into your $3,000 goal. Strategy 4: Selling unwanted items. Decluttering not only gives you a cleaner space but also a fatter wallet. Go through your belongings and identify items you no longer need. You can sell them online or organize a yard sale. The extra cash you make can be a significant boost to your savings goal. Strategy 5: Meal planning and batch cooking. Let's talk about how meal planning and batch cooking can save you a ton. When you plan your meals, you're less likely to dine out, and by cooking in batches, you save time and money. Plus, leftovers make for great work lunches, saving you even more. Strategy 6: Embracing a side hustle. Sometimes, your main job might not be enough to cover your financial goals. That's when a side hustle comes in. Whether it's freelancing, driving for a ride-sharing service, or selling your crafts online, a side hustle can significantly boost your income and fast-track your savings. And there you have it, a roadmap to save $3,000 in just 3 months, even when you're broke. Remember, it's all about being intentional with your spending, making smart choices, and staying focused on your goal. Saving money doesn't have to be a daunting task. It can be an exciting journey of self-discovery and financial empowerment. So, are you ready to take on the challenge? Let's make those financial dreams a reality. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on personal finance and budgeting. Also, share your money-saving journey with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay frugal and stay fabulous.